Drop it.
And good morning. How you guys doing? Jennifer, Moto, you're up. How you doing? Let's see. Uh, Jeremy, David, Matthew, Anthony, David. Oh, good morning, Gary. Gary, you wanna Chudabamji? Man, I butchered your name. Sorry. Gaetano, Philip, Kilmar. What's up, man? What's going on? All right. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna hang out here. We got literally 2 minutes and 15 seconds before data drops. Okay. Fourth day of fasting. Mm, yeah. I broke my fast yesterday. So I'm starting all over. It was 3 days. It was 3 days. So I broke my fast. Starting again. I have my salts. I have my sodium chlorides, my electrolytes. I'm gonna do it right this time. Fasting was not easy for 3 days. Shout outs to the community helping me identify my issues, AE, all the members in the community. All right. So we'll go ahead and see if I can get that reset going. Actually, I feel good as far as like my gut's concerned, that kind of thing. So if it was basically a cleanse, it was just a cleanse. So we'll see. Anyways, back to the church, you guys. Let's watch this right here in real time. So we have Tiny AI and NQ. You guys want to watch it on NQ or you want to watch it on ES? We got 1 minute to go. My chart settings? No. I play with my chart settings. Alright. Yes, you guys want yes? They're like, yes. NQ for the live. NQ. Alright, let's do NQ, man. Let's do it. So, let's see. We got the 200 right there. That's what I want to pay attention to. Guys, we have, let me clear this. I'm only going to go 5 contracts in. Alright. 30 seconds. If we do this. So this is what I'll do. I'll do a limit here, and then I'll do a buy here. Let's go ahead and straddle it a little bit. And here we go. We got data. And ooh, funny stuff here. Alright, so hit me to the upside right there. And guys, I'm just gonna go. Not fast enough. Let's see if I get it. Oh, I'm gonna get stopped out. You ever get stopped out? Lose $1,000 here? There you go. Oh no, why did it fill me again? It gave me 10 more. It gave me 10 more. Oh no. Well, I'm gonna play that bounce off the 200. This is why I traded small, guys. Alright, trading small. If you guys want to see what that looks like, 10 contracts up 1,000, 1,800, 1,200. Right, the trade design's to the upside right here, right? And I'm just really counting on that 200. We're below the ribbon. This is gonna get funny. This is gonna get really funny. But this is why you play small, guys, right? If you're gonna play micros or like M and Q, right? I'm not adding to my loser. I'm winning now, bitches. Now we got the top of Super Trend here. And I think I'm going to call it a day right there. 10 contracts, nearly 3,000. Why not? Or just call it a day right there. This is 2,600. That was it. Done for the day. Where's my coffee? End of live stream. Trade design was up. I was using the 200 as a reference. You guys see how I literally straddled it, right? It was going to go one way or another. I had a limit, so if it was just a limit, right? So that was my range. I already knew what my risk was and what I could potentially lose. That's why I had a 5 contract allocation on NQ. Worked out, made 3K. All right, cool. Hmm. That's all we did. That's all we did, right? Is the coffee Opico? No, no, it's Bustelo. Beans. It's Bustelo beans that I grind and then put through the coffee maker. So, guys, hey, sorry. I know you guys wanted to see me blow up my account, but I mean, I know better than that. Now, what's the data say? What's the data say? Anybody pull it up on Twitter? Otherwise, let's see if we get any information on Seeking Alpha. No, I don't care about your picks. I am the picks. Okay, let's go to news. Trending. Really? Walmart to close substantial number of U.S. stores. Micron's AI ramp for high bandwidth memory is just starting. Okay, Nasdaq, S&P, Dow futures tick down after Micron's outlook disappoints. All right, let's see here. Let's see. Uber is paying some drivers to give up their cars for 5 weeks. Okay, nice headlines. New York Community Bank Corp to effect 1-for-3 reverse stock split. BP pauses hiring, slows renewable spending to win over investors. Okay, these are our headlines. These are legit our headlines. Um, nothing. All right, let's go to the homepage, see if we get any data here. No, no data. Why do I pay an arm, leg, and unborn child for just bullshit news? Whatever. Whatever, guys. Let me get to the chart here. This is where the action's at, right? So, so I was doing a complete water fast, right? DM Ohio, good morning. DM, you missed it. We have fun, right? It was a quick 3K. Gilmar, yes, Gilmar's finally going to trade camp. We had two people actually managed to take me up on the offer yesterday when you guys saw. I mean, I made 77,000. Now, all right, guys, I was trading right, so the bet really was. I didn't really give a shit about what trade camp was going to cost. It was more of I didn't want to wear a Cowboys jersey. Right, I give myself such stress for no freaking reason, but I didn't want to wear a Cowboys jersey, so it is what it is. Did it more for that, but some of you got that promo. Some of you took advantage and reached out to Diana, got that promo before she went night night. So, Gilmar, looking forward to seeing you, bro. I'll see you in a couple of weeks. Let's see. Catch up to the comments here. GDP up. Yes. David says, now on to my 12 hours job to make 1/12 of that. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. It's the life of a trader. Damn Ohio, but good morning, man. It's been a while since I hear from you. I love it when you're in the chat, man. How you doing? You trading, making money? What are you doing? What you doing? Working on your third wife, fourth wife, fifth wife? Who knows? Let me know. Let me know in the comments, brother. All right. So yeah, the market's like, yeah, we go bullish here. We go bullish here. Nice. So now that we got that out of the way, that's great. I'm not touching anything until market open. Nothing. Right? JMac made 399. Congratulations. Congratulations. So I hope this helped out a little bit, right? I should have played more contracts. Let me see. That was 5 contracts. If that was 50 contracts, that would have been like 29,000. Not bad. Not bad. Okay. Any tickers you guys want to look at? Anything? Hey, J Mac, you're welcome, brother. Anything you guys want to look at? And if you want me, oh my God, you know what I feel like? You know what I feel like? I feel like I feel like Top Step right now. All right, guys. Between now and market open, I'm extending Trade Camp savings. Reach out to Diana. Oh, this is cool. This is how you do promos, right? Yeah. Reach out to Diana, guys, if you want to, take advantage of the savings. I'll extend it to market open. You got an hour. Anyways, so Ann Japan was going wild last night. She was talking about what? Hawk Tua? She was giving her hubby a Hawk Tua? Right? Ooh, way to go, Ann. All right, hymns? Wait. Is Hims actually traded? Hims? Wow, okay. Erectile dysfunction. Okay, guys, look at this is really, really aggressive here, right? This is an aggressive move. You had the alert with Hims on the way down, okay? That was your alert. Guys, 1348 for the fucking win. You guys are just like, you're sitting there just flickering your foreskin. I mean, well, it's Hims, right? Flaccid, just like Hims, right? Because you are busy fucking around with other trading systems that don't work and following other gurus' trade alerts. You don't need my trade alerts. We got a system that alerts you just fine. Wow. Yeah. Okay. I got nothing for you here. It's oversold. Let's see if we can find a level. We have not been in this region. Oh, okay. So there are some levels here. We can zoom in. I mean, we're looking somewhere, what, 1790? Could act as support. Let's see. I just bounced off it. Oh man, wow. You know what? I don't trust it. We just bounced off 1790. Do you guys see that? Cool. Levels for the fucking win. Let's get back to where we're at here. I don't know, man. It's. I think it's time to pull out. I'm having too much fun this morning. Time to pull out. Uh, 1778. Yeah. Unfortunately, I hold a ton of stocks on it. Oh my god. Well, you done lost over 20%. Oh man. David, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Let's go ahead and look at it on the daily. By the way, not financial advice, okay? Um, on the shit, dude. God. Okay. Let me see. This was in May. Was there some type of news? Because if was this a pump that did somehow Hims land up in Wall Street bets? What was going on here? But it happened. We alerted you, right? We alerted you here, and you ran all the way up. This was a nice move. Moto, yeah, Moto, did you really seek out Ann's messages in the Discord? Oh man, you know what? I want to say that's probably Whiskey Ann, guys. That's probably Whiskey Ann. We don't know, and we will never know. But yeah, she was a little spicy. Okay, David, sorry man, but honestly, if you were able to get in on Hims when we alerted you on a daily, you got more than you deserve. You damn near 80% report. Okay? So, sorry about it, man. Hey, you win some, you lose some. What goes up must come down. All right, let's look at Uber. Okay, Uber, pretty sweet. Alerted you at 67.90. You're now at 60.85. For those who are looking to use our system to swing trade day traders, you don't have to do the margin stuff with us with futures. You don't have to do options. You can literally just put in your favorite tickers or, if you see a news article, this is one of my favorite things to do when, I comb seeking alpha and I see like news articles or things that are getting traction. What I start doing is I go onto the daily and I look for what price action's doing, and then I set a daily alert for that. With Titan, you can do that right there, right? So there was some news back here with Uber. There's something going on, especially with the gap up here, right? There was a gap up. So then you just go ahead and set an alert for it and get that entry. Okay? Oh, you want her Woodford. Right. So Ben, that's Uber for you. Let's see. Somebody said SoFi, right? Do you guys want to see SoFi? Hands up, please. SoFi Technologies. Ooh. All right. Taking a page out of Mary J. Blige. SoFi is going down. Now, yeah, your whole world upside down, apparently, right? This is what happens when you trade shit stocks. And look at when you're below the 200, we're biased to puts or we're biased to going short. Our system puts you in a perfect position all the way through, especially playing the rejection off the 200. Come on, man. How much do I have to show you? 1348 is where it's at. You see that? Like, wait, no, there you go. Wait, how the fuck? It's so hard to point at something. Oh, there you go. Wait, I look so stupid. Okay, there you go. You guys see? Guys, the mirror's like backwards. I look so dyslexic right now. Look so stupid. But you guys see that right there? Trade1348.com. Go ahead and check it out. Check it out. Like, check it out. Get your fucking 7 days free. Jesus Christ. It's so hard looking at yourself inverse. I actually have a monitor under my teleprompter so I could see like how I'm framed and read you guys. I can read your comments, right? It's a teleprompter, so I'm reading your comments. Make it look and feel like I'm talking directly at you. But then I have like the talent monitor underneath, and I'm like, well, which way is which? Oh man, let's see. Uh, you need to be a dentist to correct that problem. So, uh, what else are we looking at? What else are we looking at, guys? Throw some more tickers out there, right? We gotta show the power of Titan. Teleprompter. So then, who is really pulling the strings? Hedgie? No, no, no. Does it light up like Biden's podium? No, man. So basically, it's a standard studio teleprompter, and so there. What I okay? So it has a screen here, and it has reflective glass up top, and it's reflecting the comment section, and I can see it off the actual glass. Right. That's how that works. Anyways, look it up. Look it up. It's pretty cool. What's the name of this one? From Prompter People. Check them out. They have studio grade teleprompters. Prompter People. Right. Let's go ahead and look at ES and EXAS. Mike. Okay. Exis. Right. Exact Sciences Corporation. Okay, well, come on. We're on a daily. You're fucking dying here. You died. Oh my god. From 67, 66, all the way down to 43.54. Come on. You guys want a trading career? I give it to you. You guys, come on. Keep giving me tickers. I will not let you down. Titan will not let you down. Goes ahead, signals. You're just going. Oh my God, signals goes right. We don't get a signal up because we're below the 200. That filter is in fact set, but we do get the filter down. Let's see. We don't get the filter down here, but then we get the break of the 200, and then of course rules apply. We get the signal up. Oh my God, guys, come on! You're sleeping on money. I'm only charging $100. I'm only charging $100 a month for you guys to have access to this. Insane. I gotta raise my prices. ES. All right, Michael. Let's go ahead and look at ES. I used to work for the company. Got free stock at $14 and cashed out at $127. Damn! Mike, ballin'. I'll be your bitch now. Okay. Jesus. Let's look at ES here. Yes, on daily, of course, we alerted you to the upside, Guys, look at, this is the importance of being bullish with ES right now, especially since we're trending up. Okay, but let's go to the 5-minute and let's see what's happening here. All right, so you're asking me what's up with ES. So that means some of you entered here, you took the alert, you made your money. Look it, I have no fucking obligation to you. You got all the way up here at 55.42. It gave you a 3-to-1. You're currently sitting on a 2-to-1. I don't owe you a fucking thing. The market gave you more than you deserve. That is a 2% return if that was 1% risk. You know what to do. Set your stop. If you're worried, set your stop. Protect your gains. You're right here. That's all you're doing. Done. Now you got stopped out. That's all that was. That's all you needed to do. You guys are making shit overcomplicated. How many of you out there are just like sitting on the sidelines wondering if you want to join? How many new people are just tuning in and you're wondering, damn, should I join? You're sitting on the sidelines like, is trading really that easy? Because I'm reading some other shit by some like 20-something-year-old who really wants to sound smart, create additional content. No, it's right here, brother. All right here. Let's make that money. Wow, don't be a dumbass. Don't be a dumbass. Huh? Gilmar, you took advantage of that promo because you aren't a dumbass. If you guys want to take advantage of the Trade Camp promo, make sure you reach out to Diana. Promo expires at 9:30 a.m. Market open, so reach out to Diana. Secure your seat for August Trade Camp here in Orlando. How long does it take for a Titan indicator to show up after payment? Larry, what? You make the payment. You get live data on TradingView, assuming you already have TradingView. Then you get access to the Discord, and it's instant. Like that, right? You just got to follow the steps in the email, like that, right? Like that. Like that. Yeah. You'll get access to the indicators faster than him giving an erection. How to do it. How to do it. It doesn't show for me. Then you gotta reach out to Diana. You gotta reach out to Diana. I'm ready to be a Master Jedi. Show me your ways, Yoda. Now, I'm really more like Darth Vader, honestly. He's just cooler. Alright. Larry, reach out to Diana. She'll get you squared away. Also, if you go into the back office, you have to connect your TradingView username to the system so you can get access to the invite-only scripts here at Trade 1348, all right? So, oh, and by the way, this is a trading show, not tech support. So don't ask me for no help, please. We are going to go ahead and look at NVIDIA. And look at her, like, nice. AI doing its thing. Got a nice entry here, guys. Nice entry. If you're holding on to options overnight, I mean, yeah, you don't have to clench your butt so much. It's actually working out in your favor. Well, maybe. Tomorrow's Friday. Depends on what your expiration is. Let's go ahead and look at Tesla. Tessie. Oh my God. Ooh, Elon Musk, kid number 12. Man, white boy doing some wigger shit over here. 12 kids. 12. Oh my God. Well, like, three from his execs. He fucks his employees. Moto, they need HR over there at Tesla immediately. All right, so here we go, Tessie. We got our entry here. Boom, go. Right, it's pre-market. If you're trading options, you're sort of kind of trapped, especially if you were like, "Hey, we're gonna go short here. We're gonna go short here." You're kind of trapped. Now, if you chased the bell, if you chased the bell, or you're holding on to some options, I mean, you probably are okay. Now let's go and look at the daily here. Daily's where it's at. Some of you just can't trade 5 minutes, and that's fine. That's fine. Wow, Tessie. Oh my God, one of the few times where AI gets beat by wow, already AI, right? Tesla, I mean, is an AI company. Look at this. Wow. Okay, so what happened here? Well, I'll tell you what happened. We have to go ahead and zoom out a little bit. See? Okay, this was the bounce. Literally right there, guys. This level right here. It was a super trend level that was supporting price action, causing consolidation. That was your bounce. This was your range. Let me go ahead and delete some of these additional levels here. This was a sweet range. Sweet range right there. Let me get this one out of the way so you guys see this range right here. Let me go ahead and zoom in for you. This range was created by the support on Super Trend and the resistance on Super Trend. Let me get this in focus right here for you. Right? This is coming all the way back, is going all the way back to April on a daily, but that is Super Trend support, Super Trend resistance. It came into its range here. That was its range, and then it found support and bounced all the way up to the 200 there. So that is Tesla. So should daily and 4 hour time frames for options have expiration dates? Oh, further, yes, yes. And anyone who's trading options like 0 days or even like a week out, I mean, you're asking for some. You're asking. Yeah. I mean, that's the market maker, literally just stealing money from retail. I mean, like 90% of all options expire worthless. And I would like to think a lot of that has to do with expiration dates or the way retail likes to trade with expiration dates. Give yourself some time. 2 weeks out, 3 weeks out, a month out, right? It's expensive. I never understood this, right? People don't want to pay for expensive options contracts. Right. But you're essentially investing in yourself. And if you really think about it, if you really think about it, if you go ahead and you buy an options contract for, let's say, $50 and it goes 20%, how much did you make? How much did you make if you bought an options contract for $50 and it goes up 20%? How much did you make? There you go, $10, right? Okay, you made 10. So then you go a little further down the road, right, or expirations down the road, and that options contract is $200. But it moves the same 20%. What do you make? You make $40, right? So what happens, and this is the fallacy with retail, what tends to happen is they buy cheap and then they want the big gains and then they become deer in headlights. Like, oh my God, I only spent $50 on this contract. I just made 100%. I made $50. I made 100%. How much more can I make? and that is a trap, right? And then because your expirations are so near dated, right? You're gonna have your premium just getting eaten up by like data, right? But if you give yourself more time, that 20% is actually worth more, or pretty equal to the $50 that you just made 100% return on, except you assumed less risk. Does that make sense? Guys, the way I trade, I trade with focus on risk and nothing else, right? Some of you guys see that I make a lot of money. I make big money, but that's years, 10, 15, 17 years of focusing on my risk. And still, it's all about the risk, baby. Come on, be smart. I don't care about your monies. I care about how much you're risking. So this was Tesla. This was the range. You guys understand why Tesla behaved that way. Okay. Um, let's see. Hanging out here. You guys want me to look at anything else? Come on. Uh, oh, by the way, don't you ever do those Prego Bro emojis. That was disgusting. That's why the stream didn't happen last night. There were people literally avoiding fucking emoji. Moto single handedly was curbing last night's stream. I asked for 2,000 emojis. Moto loaded up the emoji table with nothing but like yeah, rainbows and prego men and weird shit, right? It was wild. All right, so it was a social experiment, Moto. Jesus Christ, thank you, thank you. Um, let's go ahead and look at NQ. What's going on with NQ right now? I know you guys are here to make money. NQ, not doing anything really too crazy here, right? We got the data, we made our money. It looks like my exit was pretty fair. Don't you guys think? My exit was pretty fair. Not stressing about anything. Still moving kind of slow. Nice. Black Betty, 96 GT, cracking up over there. And nice. All right, way to go, Black Betty. So, that's NQ. Let's go ahead and look at ES. What is ES doing? ES doing, again, more of the same thing. Interesting. Today could be a really interesting Thursday. Really didn't get the kind of volatility that, we normally see, right, Moto? I know Moto was really hoping for it because Moto likes to full port. So, no, we did not get the volatility we like. But today might just be a flat day and or just consolidate until it picks a direction. Who knows? Who knows? Or it might be a trend forever day. Who knows? Who knows? Our chart will let you know, though. Our chart to get you ready for it, right? So, leave your bias at the fucking door, guys, when market opens, and just let the chart tell you what's up. Good morning, Gabe. I joined the other day, still going through the courses. Is there a walkthrough on connecting Tradevate to the system? No. You go to Tradevate, you turn on TradingView. It's a plugin that you pay for, by the way, in most situations in Tradevate. Turn on TradingView, then you come to TradingView, and then you turn that on in TradingView. That's simple, man. Nothing that Google can't solve, brother. Nothing that Google can't solve. Um, let's see. I know I sound like an asshole, man. I'll apologize, right? But probably better off going to like a TradingView Discord or Google YouTube video or asking Tradevate directly because they don't pay me for any of that stuff. I know I'm brown, but I don't get paid for them for providing tech support. All right. Nothing. I'm done, guys. I think I'm done for the morning. It's 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. I think I'm done. And Corey, I'm just fucking with you. We do have a guy named Hot Potato who is he's our brown tech support. I think he has a video on that connection. I think he has a video on that connection. He does. Um, yeah, Belly, I'm chilling out, man. I'm tired, honestly. I'm playing with my fast. I'm feeling a little like, yeah, I'm just like, uh, right, Belly. See you in the Discord, man. Take it easy. Let's see. Let's see. Nothing going on, man. Nothing going on. So I guess we sit on our hands until 9:30. Now I know a lot of you guys, right? This actually brings up a good point. A lot of you guys do trade pre-market, and trading pre-market fucking sucks. It really sucks. Maddie, hey, good stuff, man. Maddie's mastered pre-market trading, right? But he's targeting 1.5%. He goes, why is your 830 candle green and mine is gray? It might have to do with our Titan AI settings. Go ahead and check them out. But Maddie, good stuff, man. 1.5%. This man is compounding daily. He is going to be a millionaire within the next year and a half. Just the way he's compounding those gains, man. Good stuff, Maddie. Love to see it. All right, everyone give Maddie a round of applause. See, Maddie is a great example of a student who just listens and submits and makes his money and just goes about his day. He doesn't get greedy, doesn't try to make more than 1.5%, targets of 1.5%, but I'm pretty sure, Maddie, you'll walk away if you see 1% too, right? Because you understand the power of mathematics and what we teach at Trade Camp, right? No, you're cool. Corey, you're good, man. I fuck with you. You're new. I'm an acquired taste, man. I'm just that guy. I'm just that guy, right? When you learn to like me, you finally love me, right? That's just the way it's meant to be. That is by design. I don't have a PR media team. It just makes me likable and friendly. I'm not that guy, right? In time, you will learn to love me. Have a good one, Gabe. Looking forward to camp in a couple of weeks. All right. 88. We'll see you in a couple of weeks. Just like the scotch. Yeah. I'm an acquired taste, man. Hey, David O was like, yep. uh, so, David O, guys, David O actually came down from Philly and trained my dogs. He got to hang out with me. He gets the real version of me. We're cool. I love David O. Me and David O had a lot of fun. He's such an awesome dude. Trained my dogs, and my dogs, what? What? Man, I wish I could put a shock collar on all you guys over at Trade Camp. David, imagine that, right? you know, you're at Trade Camp and you're like, but Gabe, I noticed. Bzz, shut the fuck up. Oh my god, you're so hilarious. But Gabe, what do I... Oh god, it's an inside joke, David. If you're not laughing, man, I hope you're laughing. Yeah, there you go. See, he just zapped their asses, just like he did my dogs. This is so funny. Oh man, I wish it was that easy. Uh, I'll bring some to New York. There you go, David O. Hell yeah, bring some to New York. By the way, guys, we will have trade camp October. So September is trade camp in Hawaii. October is trade camp in New York. So David, I was gonna bring some electric collars. Oh, I'm gonna have fun. So Gabe, what do we do at a level? Should we hunt for a reversal when it? Shut up. Oh, I'm gonna have so much fun. How much weight did I lose in 3 days? In 3 days, actually, I lost like 7 pounds. That was wild. 7 pounds. I'm sure most of it was water weight. Um, and I'm gonna resume things today, right? So I got the proper supplements coming in. Actually, my neighbor reached out to me. He managed to do a 26-day fast. Armin, yes, I am. Um, yeah, about seven pounds in 3 days. Obviously, mostly water. And then like yeah, I broke my fast yesterday. My brother was like, "Hey, I made some hibachi," and I'm like, "Oh fuck yeah, sign me up." And yeah, it was really good. I broke my fast for chicken. Right. I don't know. I think I'm still in ketosis though because I had less than 50 grams of carbs. Way less than 50 grams of carbs. So, I don't know. But got my protein in. It was really good. Today I resume. My neighbor's like, hey, I did 26 days. This is how you do it. Then, of course, we got support in the Discord. And it was like everyone was saying the same thing, but differently. And I was like, okay, yeah. It's more than one person telling me something. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna head on over to Walgreens if they're still in business. If they didn't close the one down the road for me, and I'll get me some keto strips. Um, but yeah, really interesting. And it's actually fascinating how many individuals have actually experimented with intermittent fasting and or are fasting right now. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Might have to start a fasting channel. Belly keeps you in check. So Belly, you've done this too. I see. Belly's done this too. You know what else keeps you in check? The charts, baby. The charts. Trade the charts, not your heart. Wait for alerts. Let it happen. Make your money, right? Have I ever tried carnivore? I've heard about it. Maybe that'll be my next little experiment, right? So it's meat only. Crispy, you're on a carnivore, so you're just eating meat and steak. Uh, can't wait for tonight's debate. Wait, tonight is the Trump Biden debate? You know what I. Wait. Tonight's the Trump Biden debate? I almost want to stream that. And give like colorful commentary. Would you guys like me to do that instead of doing like, like after hours trading? We go ahead and just stream the debate and, I don't know, have some whiskey and wait for Ann to talk about hawk tuas. That'd be funny. I'm gonna try that. I'm not gonna try the carnivore diet, but I'm definitely going to keep my carbs low. Uh, yes, after hours. We're gonna do that. We're gonna have fun. Colorful commentary on the debate. Let's do both. Colorful commentary on the debate and trade. So whenever Biden talks, but love it. Okay, guys. Market made his move. Nothing. Alex, if you want to learn from me, I mean, you can join 1348, and you can go ahead and I don't know, sign up for trade camp. Reach out to Diana. Get you ready for trade camp in August. All right, camo. I have dark theme over here, so I can't see anything you typed. Oh, to do, what to do. I'm looking at this. I'm looking at this. Do we have an actionable moment? No, we don't. There's nothing. My God, alright. We got, 18 minutes to the bell. 18 minutes to the bell. Um, what am I seeing on Tesla? Oh no, I'm seeing Elon's 50 fucking kids. Let's go ahead and look at Tesla here. Tesla, you're gonna have to look at it on the daily to see much of anything. Um, what I see is the rejection here from the 200. So what I would do, let's see, is a rejection from the 200 also seems like a level, right? You see that there? So this is critical. Um, this is critical. Let's see. You got a break, and then you're looking at 206.46. So, it probably wait for, let's say, I don't know, maybe a 198, a 198, 198.50. Then use the 200 as your risk. And then we're targeting 206.73. Very, very tight risk on this one. I just don't like how Tesla has come up and then, of course, rejected violently from this. Let's see. Let's see if there's a reason why. Don't really see any levels there. And no. Okay. Be smart with this one. Now, of course, Tesla can move. Tesla can move. Looks like Tesla can move. I mean, we're not gonna use this big fuck you candle here. Let's just assume that Tesla moves within its ATR, which is about 6 points. If we maintain bullishness, I don't see how we don't get uh the 5 6 points, right? I don't see how we don't get it over the next 2 days. But that was a really, really, really aggressive candle here. Yeah, that was 10 points right there, all by itself. So be careful, manage your risk accordingly. Do I have a day for Trade Camp in New York? Yes. Um, so, New York, let me see. Let me pull up this calendar here because New York is also it's going to be a trade camp. Uh, let's see, right here. I'm thinking October 4th. October 4th is a Friday. Also happens to be the same weekend as my birthday. So my birthday is October 1st. October 4th, Trade Camp, New York, ideally. And then, of course, your community's beloved Diana, her birthday is October 12th. So any Libras in the house, go ahead, get yourself situated. Okay? Get yourself situated. October 4th. Should be fun. Can former campers come and hang out in New York? You can't just take up. I mean, you can hang out with us, but you can't just take up a seat. Can't just take up a seat. Um, yeah, yeah, Jason, that move was overly aggressive, so you got to be careful, especially with the 200 there. Yeah, it's. I mean, it's New York, right? It's going back home, so we'll see. We'll see how degenerate we make that weekend. Tabs on me. Now everybody's showing up. Everybody showed up. Tabs on me. We'll throw the company card and have a birthday bash over there. Let's see. Alright guys, really nothing going on, 917. I'm coming for the pre and post parties. Jesus, Belly. He's like, education, no. I'm gonna end up in a corner somewhere. Let's see. Let's look at the market data. Let's see. SPY's up. Dow Jones up. NASDAQ up. You're only 4%. Okay, see, I want you guys to pay attention to this. Let me see if I can get this in perspective. No, I cannot. Damn it. Okay. Year to date, S&P has returned 14%. NASDAQ, 17%. 17%. We have students in 1348 who are returning 25, 30, 40% in a month. In a month. We have students doing exactly that. Our own Diana's 120% in like 7 weeks. 125, I think. Let me see. Let me see what we have here. Let's see. Come on, trade Zella. See how she's performing. All right. Make sure you guys give Diana a round of applause, by the way. Let's see. This is Diana, guys. This is Diana. Let me see if we could change this to percentage. 152%. Guys, she's up 152%. Right? This is year to date. Let's do year to date. Yes, 152% year to date. Let's see. That is. Look at this. This was April, guys. She started in April. 2 trades, 6.5, 6.66. I don't like that number. 3.5, 5.6, 3.5, 11.25, 3.43. Then we come into May, and May is 1%, 3, 4, 3, 2. The system works, guys. We're looking at percentages, right? And they're compounding, by the way. They're compounding. And it's really, really interesting for you guys to see it in percentages, right? Because when you're in the moment, you're actually trading and you are trading percentages, it doesn't seem like much. But then you go ahead and you do it over 8 weeks and it's 152%. But then, the guys over at Wall Street and the finance guys, all those guys, they're like giving themselves a pat on the back, like, we returned you 13% this year. Come on. Right? You guys, come on over. Come on over to 1348. And it's not just Diana. I have a gentleman. Let me show you guys something. Right? Did I take it at the break of the ribbon? I did. That was yesterday's trade. But let me show you guys. I got another one. I'm going to show you a before and after. How many of you guys like before and afters? How many of you guys like before and afters? All right. Let me show you guys something. Right? Also a member of our community, Ari. Ari. Before, $2,500 he lost. That was before. Then he comes along, submits to the system. Now let's go ahead and look at this month. World of a difference, huh? He goes from losing 40% of his trades to winning 84%, and he is up $552 with a profit factor of 1.86. We're still working on his average win-loss, but he has a positive trade expectancy. Let's do last month again so you guys can pay attention. His trade expectancy was negative 0.87, a profit factor of 0.67, 43.59%, and lost his ass. Guys, when you come and work with me in Longevity Club, when you come and work with me, I hold you accountable. And I show you what's up. I show you everything that's wrong with your trades. I highlight things that you can do to improve your trades. And I make a better trader out of you. It kind of sucks to say this, but I'm worth every fucking dollar. And even though my price is $9,000, what time is it? That's my price for the year. Reach out to Diana and get it for $3,500. Go ahead, do it. Get it for $3,500. Reach out to Diana, make that happen. All right, I can do this. I can do this with anyone as long as you listen. Diana's example of her listening to not only her boss, but to the charts and the system. Now, you could go ahead and pay me for that. Or you can just be like, all right, let me stop being a dumbass, save some money, and just trust the chart and the system. It's literally up to you. Now, if you need a coach that's going to... That didn't look right. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to beat you over the head. I'm not going to pound you. I'm going to beat you over the head, but yeah. No, we have some other guys here. We got, oh my God. Ugh. Oh my God, I love this guy. This guy's Alan. He came to trade camp. And Alan actually won a free longevity club with me. He won it at trade camp. We had a load of competition at trade camp. And this man is not fucking around. Not fucking around. Yeah, not for you though. So I just showed the valley. People are like, "Hey, do you have giveaways?" Come on, man. All right, let me show you guys something. Let's go ahead and I wanna look at last month with him. Still a very consistent trader. iPower. So you don't use 3048 RSI and trend thrust anymore? I mean, I still do, but the thing is guys, I made the system. I can literally have a visual overlay, like on my eye, like my own HUD system. I know what RSI is doing. I know what trend thrust is doing based on price action. I give it to you guys so you guys can visualize. It's different. It's different. Come on. Right? But this, I'm going to show you guys. This is Alan. This was last month. He had a lot of green days. This Friday, I believe that was before his trade camp with us. But this was the month of May, and these were his stats, right? That was negative 6.55. Yes, have it on, brother, have it on. Okay, now let's go and do this month, all right? Well, first off, profit factor 0.87, won 37% of his trades. Average win, 1.46. That was last month. Making progress. Let's look at this month. Right. World of a difference, no? Look at his trade expectancy. Let's go back to last month. Last month, his trade expectancy was a negative $6.55 with a profit factor of 0.87. We then go this month, and he's a 1.74 on the profit factor with a trade expectancy of $37.28 with an average of 2 to 1, winning 94% of his days with 46% of his trades. Am I a joke to you? You guys, if you're truly serious about changing, no. No, I'm not going to give you free 1348 AI for a month. Why? Just sign up. If you can't afford $100, bro, you shouldn't be in trading. You just shouldn't trade. Sorry. If you can't afford $100, if you can't invest in yourself, get the fuck out of here. Don't even trade. Sorry, just being honest. Right? This is the market. Right? You think me going to Bloomberg like, hey, can I get Bloomberg Terminal for free? Like, no, fuck you, 26,000 or get out. That's how this game works. So sorry, but we got results here. Now, if you hire me, this is what you pay for. You pay for results. You got to submit to it. So reach out to Diana if that's something you want to do. I have countless of students who are doing this. Once they submit, we change their lives. Period. Period. Who's impressed? Can I get a round of applause as a teacher? Because, guys, I really try hard as a teacher. Remember, I'm an acquired taste, right? And sometimes the asshole in me comes out and I want to choke my students. And I'm trying to get better as a teacher, and I feel like I am. And I'm really, really happy for their improvements, man. Fucking awesome. I love it. I love it. Okay, looks like market's going to open in 2 minutes. Yeah, don't know, man. Don't know. Don't know about all this. I'm out here trying to change lives, right? You know, it's crazy. Like I said yesterday, you got so many YouTubers out there like, hey, I made X amount of money. I made X amount of money. Yeah, me too. But let me show you the people who are actually making money following the system. Like for me, that lends more credit to what we do here than me actually doing it, right? Because, well, these other gurus out there are fucking scammers, right? Market open in 1 minute. This should be fun. I have to get on over to NQ here, boys and girls. I think I want to fuck around and find out. I've made some money. I've made good money. So, let's see if, I'm playing with free money, by the way, guys. There goes the great candles again. You gotta go to Tiny AI and look at your settings here. Your settings. You could be, let's see. There is the 200 EMA filter that you can have turned on or off. Me personally, I'm going to turn this off for now, right? And we got market open. Cool. Trade design. Next trade design, guys. I am going to attack the next trade design. I'm just going to have fun here, right? You got to make it worth it. And then I got shit to do today. Probably going to have to cancel my one-on-ones today, guys, because I got a lot of stuff to go. A lot of stuff I got to do. All right. You missed a lot, brother. Okay. See, this is why trading and streaming so hard. Looks like we missed that entry there. Really, really bullish. How do I play this? So there's a 0.3 there that I could see visually, right? If I could see a candle come down, maybe to this level right here, I'll go ahead and enter the trade bullish, right? Otherwise, I missed this trade. Okay. Do you need laser eye on the 1 minute? Yes. If you're trading the 1 minute, yes. So I absolutely missed this trade. I am not chasing it. Jesus, you guys, look at this trade design in real time, guys. Paid 1.5 to 1, almost a 2 to 1. If you were trading and you took this, you're done. 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 You're done. I don't owe you anything more. I don't owe you anything more. I didn't manage to take this trade. It's an issue of colorful commentary and then trying to trade at the same time is really, really hard. And then, just doing like the camera swaps and other stuff is really, really hard. Now, if I did not have you guys around, I'd be Viagra killing this trade. I trust my system, guys. You should too. Boom, done, right? Look at 3 to 1, 2.5 to 1. Yes, a good opening. Like, you got paid here. Guys, if you were playing one contract of NQ, you got fucking paid here. Let's go ahead if you were playing one contract of ES. One contract of ES. Let's go ahead. Wait, what happened here? Let me see. Yeah, ES is like, yeah, we're tired. We're tired here. Let me see. What's going on here? Wow. Hey, hit your level. Let's go ahead and look at NQ. Did it hit the level? 2.5 came up to this level here, guys. I know you can't really see it here, but we have predictive levels. Oh, it just came right through. Oh, okay. Okay. Fuck it, we'll go. I'm gonna go ahead and there you go. We're gonna see if we can just to break through the level. It's really not much, right? Let's see if we get something up here. Not really risking much here, guys. It's 10 contracts, right? So we'll just hang out here and see if NQ will do that. If not, oh boy, down $800. Down $800. This is why I don't play market open. But I'm bored. I got money to burn. Killed it yesterday for 77,000 on that trade, right? So I'm basically trading with free money. I'm just having fun, but not irresponsible. I'm not going in with like 500 contracts, but we are up $1,300. $1,300. What am I gonna do here? You know what? Damn it! Yes, come on. You get me at that level. Get me at that level. That is the second time. It's like, oh my god, the level's like telling me wrong hole, Gabe, wrong hole. 24. You guys see it there? 26. We got the fill done. Bye. So that's right. You guys saw me kill it yesterday live. You guys saw me kill it after hours in the Discord. You saw me kill it this morning live. We're done here. Check out Trade 1348. Link down in the comments. Link up in the comments up there, right? Somewhere, Trade 1348 up there. And then links down in the description. There's a link to the chart. If you have TradingView, make sure you have live data. There's a link to the chart. That chart becomes active after, of course, you pay me. So then you head on over to Trade 1348, sign up, then you're active. Okay? Yes, after hours, maybe, right? Justin Fox said, hit my goal. Thanks for the one-on-one. Game changer. Gabe is the truth. Fuck yeah, Justin, that's what I'm talking about. Me and Justin, we had fun yesterday. Actually, we recorded our one-on-one yesterday, and there was some shit that we were talking about. It was like, Gabe, do you really want to share this? I'm like, yeah, why not? He was like, well, you know, my employer. Anyways, yeah, we had to omit. We'll do the next one, guys. I'll record the next one I want with Justin if you guys want to see that. We had a lot of fun, but Justin, good shit, man. You hit your goal. That's what we're looking for. We're done, guys. Signing out. Yeah, we'll do a redo. Peace. Stay safe out there, guys. If you made your money, if you made your 1%, your 1.5%, just be done. Done.